Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick video for you. Product review, but it's going to be very simple and we're not going to make it very long at all. The company right here is Ainope, I believe you pronounce it. And these are 3.0 Type-C braided cables for fast charging for your Type-C devices. Everyone these days is starting to get the Pixels. They're starting to get the Samsung S8s, S9s, S10s, and you will be needing Type-C cables. These are 6 feet or 2 meters a piece. Really cool colors, by the way. Braided cables here with little wire management Velcro strips right there as well. What's awesome about this is going to get you back up and running, charged up, ready to go. Just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be the link for this exact same 2-pack right here. And I believe the company also offers different colors as well. What's good about the 6-footer is I have my plug behind my bed, and I actually have to have it come out the side of my bed so I can even make it over to my nightstand. What's nice about a long cable. I believe the company also offers different types of lengths as well. So again, look at the description box link there below. So we're going to go ahead and put these to the test, and we'll give you a wrap up in a little bit. Now you have a couple different ways to charge this and utilize the quickness of this cable. You can use either a plug 3.0 rated plug wall adapter, or again, you can plug that into your laptop USB port that has 3.0 fast charging capability. I typically use this device here. This one over here is for my watch, of course, but with this cable and my wall adapter, you charge up a lot quicker. Well, guys, I've been using my cables for a couple weeks now and loving it. Charging super fast, so much faster than my wireless charger. Being able to literally come home for lunch, pit stop, charging it up, and it charges very, very quickly. I would also recommend, again, I will try to link this in the description box below, but get yourself a nice 3.0 wall adapter if you need that. I do highly recommend that as well. But overall, I'm very happy with these cables. And again, those are linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thumbs it up if it has helped you. And again, look for those links in the description box below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.